Alrighty, everyone. So now we are going to do the audio overview. So right now we're in Gemini Advanced. You don't see anything here about doing an audio overview. So what do you need to do? First, you need to provide the information so you can copy and paste. You can type in some information that you need. I am going to add a file. Let's see. I'm going to add a file. I'm actually going to add a PowerPoint and see what it does. So I'm inserting the file, and notice generate audio overview pops up. So I'm going to select that, and then let's see what happens. If it takes too long, I will pause my recording and come back. Alrighty, so it is up. It's a 6-minute overview. We're gonna listen to it a little bit. You may not hear it, but let me play it. Let me see if there's an option for closed captions. Nope, but you can share and you can download. So let's give this a try.
All right, so today we're diving in something I think a lot of people use, but maybe don't always use super well.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We're talking about PowerPoint.
The ubiquitous PowerPoint.
Yeah, exactly. We've got a textbook.
Okay, so it works, and what you hear is you hear the same hosts that you hear from NotebookLM, and let's see what the features are. So we went over here. You can download, you can share. So if you hit share, you can share it through a link. You can share it through LinkedIn, Facebook, Reddit. You can go copy, listen, report legal issue. You can export to docs. You can draft in an email. You can plus or minus. You can thumbs up or thumbs down. All right, so that works. That's how you use Gemini Audio Overview. Hope you like it. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.